Welcome, fellow traders. I trust you are all in good spirit. Today, I have been tasked with explaining the MQL4 code that governs the money management aspect of Pirate Expert Advisor. This is a straightforward logic, so let's dive into the code. Double click on money management input variable. Now press Ctrl F. Our search direction is down and click match whole word only. Now press the find next. This is the logic to calculate dynamic lot size, account free margin, multiply by risk and divide by 100, and this value again divided by this variable multiply by this variable. Let's explore this variable. Press again Ctrl F. Now our search direction is up. Press the find next button. Here you can see that this variable value is 1000. If the currency symbol is gold or currency symbol has two digits, then 46 underscore in is equal to 1000. The default value of this variable, press again find next. The default value of this variable is 100, and this is for currency pair GBP USD and Euro USD whose decimal places are 5. Now click the down direction and again find next. Now I am exploring the other variable 40 underscore do. Press Ctrl F. Now our search direction is up. This is tick value of the currently selected trading symbol. Now the last variable, this is spread. Current spread of the currently selected trading symbol. This is a logic to calculate dynamic lot size in this expert advisor. I hope you have understand the logic of money management in Pirate EA. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Happy trading.